It's early January, and that can mean only one thing, and it's time to sow seeds. So many of you have been ordering from us. We're fast selling out of some of the varieties, but what I wanted to do is give you an indication of what to sow and when to sow it. So superhots are 800,000 and above. Hots, things like habanero, Scotch bonnets, anything from 350,000 Scoville units above would be classed as a hot. Now, it's quite important that you start in the UK in particular to sow these in January if you can. You can get away with sort of maybe the first part of February, but hots and super hots need a much longer growing season, sometimes up to 10 months. And you'll want to extend your season anyway. Normally that's done by something like a greenhouse or a polytunnel. You can indeed extend your growing season by just using a sunny south facing window, but generally depends on how many plants you're growing and how big your windowsill is. So we will at home sow the hots and the super hots in January if we can. And this gives them time to germinate. We'll put them maybe on a windowsill or in a heated propagator on a heat mat with as much light as we can give them. That would at this time of year normally be an artificial light, which will assist with these before we get enough natural light through the early part of spring and onwards. We don't sow things like annuums, like say jalapeno, prairie fire. We might sow those in March onwards because they will definitely need less of a growing season. So we can sow those a lot later. So yeah, just to recap, if you're planning to sow and grow your own hots and super hots, anything from 350,000 Scovilles above, we really recommend you order your seeds as quick as you can, get them planted as soon as you can. We've got plenty of tips and tricks on the website, but you can always get in touch and ask us questions if you're struggling anyway. So good luck with your 2026 season.